Alright, so I'm here in CVS and I'm doing a couple of deals today. So I'm grabbing the Huggies. The Huggies is on sale this week for buy three, or it's the cash card deal actually, and the Huggies are included. So if you spend $30, you'll get a $10 cash card. So the Huggies are $9.99. I'm getting 3 of them, which make my out-of-pocket about $30. And then I got 3 of these Huggies coupons. So it's going to take off about $9, my out-of-pocket. And then I have a 3 off 20 CVS coupon. Once that comes off, my out-of-pocket will be $18 once that comes off. And then I'll be getting a $10 cash card back, which makes my out-of-pocket about $8 for all 3 packs. And then Fetch Rewards is giving back $5. So after the Fetch Rewards, it's going to be about $3 or $1 per pack of Huggies. Alright, that's my first deal. I'm taking the $10 cash card and I'm rolling into the next deal, which is this. Alright, so the next deal I'm doing is the CoverGirl deal. It's spend $15 and get a $5 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up these twin brows. These is the cheapest product that CoverGirl has. I usually just donate these or give them away anyway. So I got 3 of them. These are $4.99 a piece, so that's $15. And I'm using 3 CoverGirl coupons, so it's going to take off $9. My out-of-pocket is going to be $6, and then I'm going to get a $5 extra care buck back, making my out-of-pocket $1 for all 3 eyebrow pencils. I'm also going to do this Garnier Fructis. I love this leave-in conditioner. I love this leave-in conditioner, actually. So that one is $6.79, and then this one is $7.79. Garnier, I have a app-only coupon that says buy one. Well, I'm sorry, it's not an app only. I have a coupon on my app that says buy one, get one free. So I'll be buying a higher price one, which is $7.79. And then I'll get this one for free. I have 2 printable coupons, $4 off any 2. At CVS, you can use a free coupon on a free item. So let's see, we're going to be at about $14. And then I'm going to take $8 off. So that's going to leave my out-of-pocket $6. And then I'll be the $6 for both products, or $3 per product. I also have a 3 off 12. So it's going to take off another $3. So my out-of-pocket will be $3. And then I won't get any extra care bucks back, but $3 for both products is great. I use both of these products. I've never used the Sleek Shot actually. So this will be my first time trying that, but like I said, I use that. So that's that deal. The last deal in this transaction is the Colgate deal this week. The Colgate is spend 10, get a $5 extra care buck. So my daughter uses this toothbrush here. It's $9.99. And then Colgate toothpaste is $4.99. You can do this deal twice, so I'm going to do it twice. So $9.99, I'm going to use this coupon. It's a $2 off coupon, making my out-of-pocket about $8 for that. And then these 2 toothpastes is going to come up to $10. And then I have $4 off, so it's going to make my out-of-pocket $6. And then I'm going to get a $5 extra care buck back for that, so making my out-of-pocket $1 or 50 cents each. And then for the Colgate toothpaste, after the coupon, I'll pay $8, and then I'll be getting back a $5 extra care buck, making the out-of-pocket $5. Alright, so this is my second transaction. And then with those extra care bucks, I'm going to grab a couple of items that I need. We're out of paper plates, and then I got some ponytail holders because we're out of those too. Alright, off to the register.
Probably. How can you still be at $41?
Cause the Garnier, I should have had a buy one get one free on the Garnier. Did that come off?
It's not. It's wait. Hold on a second. Look at your screen. 10, 20, 30, 45. It's not taking nothing off.
No, because I see a $3 came off.
And a $2.
I see $3 actually. Oh, that's for the cover girl. $2 for the all the toothpaste.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Only 2 of the toothpaste came. Only 2 of the Colgates came off. Only 2 of the Colgates came off. I see. It should be a third $2 off coupon. It should have came off.
Well, I have. Okay.
Oh, you voided it. I see.
And then put it back on.
Oh no, it didn't go back on. It should say void.
1, 2. No, 1, 2. And then I voided it, so there still should.
There should be another one.
It's not letting me take this.
What is it saying about the $4 coupons?
Maximum exceeds maximum redeemable amount.
Okay, because it didn't even
Take anything off.
Well, it didn't take off the buy, not even a buy one get one free. I don't see that taken off either. See on my
3 off of 12. That's why the one's coupon won't come up. But give me your card again.
Alright, so I made it out of CVS and I'm going to go with my deals. I had a little bit of hiccups at the register, but we got through them. We got through them. Alright, so the Huggies is on sale this week. They're in a cash card deal. Spend $30, get a $10 extra care buck. The Huggies are on sale for $9.99 this week. So I bought 3 of them. My out-of-pocket was $30. Now, I walked into CVS with no extra care bucks. For this card, I don't have any extra care bucks. Like not even $1. Not $1. So I already knew I was going to have to spend a little bit of money out of pocket. You know, it is what it is. When you starting over at CVS, you're going to have to spend money. So this is my other account. Has no ECBs on it. Alright, so I spent $30. They were $9.99 a piece. And I got a $10 extra care buck back. Oh, I'm sorry. I used the $3 off coupons. I showed you in the video. I used 3 of those. They took off $9. And then I had a CVS coupon for 3 off 20. That took off another $3. So my out of pocket was $18 for all packs of Huggies. I got back a $10 cash card. So made my out of pocket $8. And then I got back $2.67 on Fetch Rewards. Make sure you sign up for my Fetch Rewards. Sign up with my code so you can start saving extra money on top of your coupons with Fetch Rewards. Make sure you use my referral code. I'll put it in the next screen. Alright, so after the cash card and my Fetch Rewards, my final out-of-pocket is $5.33 for all 3 packs of Huggies, or about $1.77 per bag of Huggies. That's a great deal. $1.77 Huggies. Alright, so I took the cash card and I wrote it into this deal right here. This deal was for the Colgate was if you spend 10, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck. I maxed out the deal. You can do it twice this week. This was $9.99. These were $4.99 a piece. So my total out of pocket is $20 for that. And I'm going to receive a $10 cash back. I mean a $10 extra care buck back for that. The CoverGirl deal was spend $15, get back $5 in extra care bucks. So I got 3 CoverGirl eyebrow pencils. This is the cheapest product that they have. This product is $5.99. So I got 3 of them. So I spent $18 out of pocket. I used 3 CoverGirl coupons, so that took off $9. And so my out of pocket for this deal is going to be about $9 out of pocket. And then I'm going to get back a $5 extra care buck, making my out of pocket about $4 for all 3 CoverGirls. For the Rimmel, the deal was 40% off all Rimmel cosmetics. Y'all know I love this lip gloss. This lip gloss was $5.49. I had a $2 off Rimmel coupon, plus the 40% off took off a total of $4.20. So my out of pocket for this Rimmel was $1 and about 40 cents. 2, 4, 25, 20. Yeah, about $1.30. So $1.30 out of pocket for my Rimmel lip gloss. No extra care bucks back this week. The next deal was the Garnier Fructis. I love this leave-in conditioner. Sometimes when I'm lazy and I don't feel like waiting for the conditioner, rinsing it out, blah, 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 I put leave-in conditioner in my hair. So I like this leave-in conditioner. This Sleek Shot in-shower styler mixed with shampoo. I've never tried that, but I'm going to try it. These were not on sale. This deal did not work out like I wanted it to work out, to be honest. So this deal was regular price. So the Sleek Shower was $4.49. The Sleek Shower was $7.49. Ooh, that's high. And then the leave-in conditioner was $3.99. $3.99 plus $7.49. It didn't give back any extra care bucks, but I thought I was going to be able to use this buy one, get one free coupon. Because shampoo, conditioner, it was a buy one, get one free, but it would not attach to these at all. So after a while, I just said forget it, because I used both. I wanted to use these products, so I just went on and took it. So $7.49 plus $4. So about $11 out of pocket. Yeah, about $11.50 out of pocket. I had a $3 manufactured coupon that was taken off. So that made my out of pocket about $9, about $8. That made my out of pocket about $8 for these 2 products, or $4 a piece. Again, yeah, I wasn't proud of that deal, but it is what it is. All deals aren't going to be great, so I ended up paying $8 out of pocket for this conditioner and a shampoo. All right, so for my second deal, oh, and I forgot to tell you, for the Colgate, I had $2 off manufactured coupons that came off each one, so 2, 4, 6. So $6 off of 20 made my out of pocket $14. And then I also had a $3 off 12 oral care. So it made my out of pocket about $11, and I got back a $10 extra care buck, which made my out of pocket $1 for all 3 items. Okay, so the total price for all 3 products, for this deal right here, was $51.94. So this is $51.94 worth of product right here. $51.94. After my cash card, after my manufactured coupons and my CVS coupons, my out of pocket is $18.94. I got back $10 extra care bucks for the Colgate. I got back $5 for the CoverGirl, and then I got back $0.25 for Fetch Rewards. So after my ECBs and my Fetch Rewards, my final out of pocket is $3.74 for all of the items. All right, so I took that $15 extra care bucks. I took that $15. And I rolled it into this transaction. Now, extra care bucks are to be used on stuff that you need, like really, really need. So we don't have any more paper plates. I'm grateful that it was actually a deal on paper plates. So this deal is for the Total Home. That is like the CVS brand, I guess. I never really seen it nowhere else but CVS. But they paper products were on sale. Spend $15, get a $5 extra care buck. So again, we were out of paper plates, so I kind of stocked up on a little bit of paper plates for us. So these were $5.79 a piece, the paper plates. All three of them was $5.79 a piece. So the bowls and the plates, they were $5.79 a piece. And then I got these ponytail elastics. I just walked up on this. I don't know where the ponytails holders are. I can't find not one. So I went there to pick up something cheap, and these were on clearance for $1.74. Yeah, I think they were $1.74 on clearance. So I grabbed those. And then I had forgot to pick up my gum, so I picked up my extra care gum. This is on sale for 99¢. You get a 99¢ extra care buck back, making it free. All right, so my total out of pocket for this deal was $19.11. I used my $15 in extra care bucks. I rolled it from my last deal and I used it in this deal. So my out-of-pocket expense was $4.11 after my extra care bucks. I got back a 99¢ extra care buck for the gum, and then I got a $5 extra care buck again for the paper products for spending $15. So that made that transaction free after my extra care bucks, plus a $2.13 money maker. All right, so that's how that all panned out. All right, so this is how my whole transaction panned out. If I would have walked into CVS with no ECBs or coupons, I would have spent a total of $101.05. Yes, $101.05 is what I would have spent on everything I just showed you. After my manufacturer coupons, my CVS coupon, ECBs, cash card, and Fetch Rewards, my out-of-pocket is $12.89, or about $13 if you just want to round it off. About $13, minus the $5 extra care buck that I still got, minus the 99¢ extra care buck that I still got. So my final cost out-of-pocket is $7 for all these items. $7 out-of-pocket for all these items. All right. So my CVS trip was really great. I was a little scared in CVS. I mean, that's where, well, the sick people come to get their medicine. So I was bundled up and had my mask on and my gloves, as you can see. I don't think I'm going back in CVS. Maybe on Sunday again. I don't know. Maybe Monday. I think I might wait till Monday to go back in CVS. I'm going to watch the news and see what they saying about the virus. Is it going down? How's it going? And I'll give y'all an update if I'm going to go back into CVS. But it won't be until Monday. Thank you for watching. Again, make sure you watch all my CVS videos. Make sure you watch all my Dollar Tree Trick Off Tuesday videos. Also, I have I'm coming up with a couple videos next. I'm coming up with a immune healthy smoothie that I put together that has been making me feel a lot better. It's getting my immune system stronger, because right now in these times we need a stronger immune system. So that's going to be the next video. Make sure you watch out for that video. And make sure you watch all my videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Hecky now, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.